Hello, friends. As you can tell, this grandma likes to use some things up, and I'm going to show you. I opened the fridge and we have our own chickens, so we have quite a few eggs. I have a couple of baked potatoes left over from Sunday dinner. I have, let's turn it around and I'll show you what I have. There we go. A couple of baked potatoes. I pulled out 2 frozen pie shells. Here's some eggs. We have like 5 or 6 dozen eggs in the back fridge right now. I have some open bacon crumbles, some zucchini, just a teeny bit of milk that needs to be used from that carton, salt, pepper, and I went out to eat today, came home with some sour cream and some salsa. I'm going to combine these things for a quiche, and I will let you see. It'll make 2 full quiche pies. It'll be something we can eat for breakfast, warm up easily, share with family, whatever. But out of a dozen eggs and using up a bunch of the stuff that I would like to use tonight, we'll have something very enjoyable and very delicious. Look who came to see us. Tenny, do you like eggs and potatoes and cheese and all of that you have the prettiest smile. Do you like all those things for breakfast? You do? Well, that's what Grandma's gonna put in that. Look, right here. I'm gonna put it in that. Oh, not with your...
What is that?
That's a pie crust. Okay? But did you come over to get some? Look who else came. And look what they really like. What's that?
Cookies.
Grandma normally has some cookies in cookie jars. Do you like cookies? Well, you get to have a cookie and go out and pick the tomatoes, because these kids are exceptional kids. They like tomatoes, and the cherry tomatoes are coming off. Okay, say bye-bye. Say like and subscribe. Thank you. I've got the dozen eggs in here. You just mix those up a little. I told you I had a teeny bit of milk left. We're going to add that. We're going to add the sour cream from today's lunch as I went out with some of my friends, and the salsa that came home with the takeout. And then I'm going to mix this thoroughly. Here's the 2 baked potatoes. I will divide them equally between the pie shells. I'll take a cup of zucchini for each pie shell, and about a half a cup of the bacon bits for each pie shell. Salt and pepper to season. And then I will divide my eggs equally between the pie shells, and as all it will take is I will start it for 15 minutes on the bottom shelf at 400, and then after that I'll move it up and turn the oven to 350 and continue baking until it's solid and a toothpick would come in and out clean. It's that easy to have breakfast or a snack or supper and use up some of your leftovers. I hope you'll try it. Thanks. Here's all the things that I mentioned, except for I forgot the most important ingredient for me, happens to be cheese. So I'm going to add a cup of cheese to each of these. If you don't tolerate cheese well, forget it, or put whatever it is you enjoy in your quiche. Then I will divide the egg mixture, put it in the oven, and at the end of cooking, I will show you the end result. Thanks so much. Well, here's our finished product. It looks pretty good, and we should be able to have an enjoyable breakfast in the morning. Might even have a snack tonight. Hope you'll try it. Go to your refrigerator and see what you have. It can be very tasty, and it warms up delightful. Thank you. Bye.